Bonjour et bienvenue en Francophile. Je m'appelle Shamika et je suis professeur de français. In one of the previous videos, we learned how to ask questions. What words or phrases can be used to ask questions. I would suggest you to check that video first. I'll give the link of that video in description box. Today we are learning what are the types of interrogation in French. There are three types: intonation, est-ce que, and inversion. So first one is intonation. What does that mean? The rise and fall of the voice in speaking. Let's take an example. Vous mangez la pizza. Vous mangez la pizza. You eat pizza. It's a simple sentence. Now using intonation, we will turn it into a question. And don't forget to put a question mark at the end. So it will be vous mangez la pizza. Vous mangez la pizza. You eat pizza. Now the second one is est-ce que. Est-ce que. It is very simple. You have to add est-ce que before any sentence. So our sentence is vous mangez la pizza. You have to add est-ce que before it. Est-ce que vous mangez la pizza? Est-ce que vous mangez la pizza? And put a question mark after it. Simple? Got it? And the third one is inversion. The word itself explains it. You just have to inverse your sentence. Well, actually only two elements of your sentence: the subject and the verb. So in this sentence, vous mangez la pizza. Vous is subject and manger is verb. You just have to inverse these two. Mangez-vous la pizza? Mangez-vous la pizza? And add a question mark. Now let's practice this with another example. Tu parles français. Tu parles français means you speak French. Let's convert this sentence into a question. First one, intonation. Tu parles français? With est-ce que. Est-ce que tu parles français? And now with inversion. Parles-tu français? I hope you understood it, and if you didn't, please do not hesitate to ask me. You can write in comments or you can always DM me on Francophile's Instagram page. You will find the link in the description box. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next video. A bientôt!